for the CPI news. It's coming out in about a minute. CPI came out. Check out where we came up to. 50% level on the daily. Had another hourly 50% level right below it. But we came up to the tick to this 50% level. Looks like it was from yesterday. Just dropped 30 points from there. There's also a big area of selling on the delta profile. This is from the MMT Greek profile indicator in delta profile mode. It's a little double confluence right there. The market opened and we popped up right up to yesterday's open and this previous day point of control. I got a little bounce trade short there. Also was eyeing this area on the delta profile. We got a big bunch of previous selling here, so I took a little bounce trade short. We started getting a bunch of imbalance signals to the downside from the MMT polarity at point of control up into the wick here. We're getting a very healthy pullback here, over 40 points so far. I love it when I've got a cluster of key levels. We had this previous day point of control, yesterday's open, and R1. Great rejection from this area. Just took a bounce trade when we came down to these strong current session gamma levels. We also had a washout signal that was already on the candle. So as we pulled down here, I got into a long, but I hopped out a little bit too early. Did pop up over 20 points. Would have got the 10 points no problem. Just came down to this strong current session gamma level once again. We got point of control down on the wick, getting another bounce up. These are gamma levels from the MMT gamma indicator. It's mimicking the kind of gamma data from the options market, but without the need for any kind of special data. It just runs on regular futures data. We got VWAP in very different places on the NQ versus the MNQ. It's about a 30-point difference in the VWAPs today. But depending on what price is doing when we come down to this area, might be looking for a bounce trade around the VWAP and the pivot point. Still getting a ton of holdup at these gamma levels. We made it down to pre-market center. Pre-market center held. Had some imbalance signals to the upside. Point of control down in the wick here. You see as we're coming down, delta is drying up. It's also been drying up on the ES here, 5 minute. My pre-market range is from 7:30 to 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the key levels is plotting the high, low, and center of that range. Totally customizable. You could use any time frame that you want. I'm being extra cautious today with the CPI news. I'm going to give it a little bit extra time to kind of figure out what it wants to do. Checking out the delta on this last 5 minute candle, 1,000 on this NQ 5 minute. Kind of more interested in the longs at the moment. And then on the ES 3100, I just put in a buy order on the regular NQ. Then I tapped out and I did not get a good fill. Definitely popped up over 10 points there. When I hit the X button, I think I lost a couple there. I just grabbed a 10-point bounce long here. Came right back down to the pre-market center. Had an imbalance signal and a washout signal to the upside. Point of control down on the wick. We had delta drying up here. As price is coming down, delta's pushing up here. Stacking some more micros. Just grabbed another 10-point bounce long. Check out these strong gamma levels. They've been holding for the past 10 minutes. Had a bunch of imbalance signals building up. Some positive delta coming in. I grabbed a long down here at the gamma levels, looking for it to retest whole number. Just popped up over 40 points. Also because of time of day, it's about 8 minutes till 10:30. We're still above VWAP and above the 250 SMA. Added some more micros to the pile there. We're getting a nice bounce up now. Flow stack's been bullish. Bunch of positive delta coming in. Also check out on the 5 minute as price is coming down. We got delta increasing. It's 10:40. I just took my last trade of the day. We were pulling up to this previous day point of control, this blue dashed line. Got divergence building up, and then we got a washout signal and an imbalance signal to the downside while we were up here. Delta turned negative. Grabbed a short, hopped out a little bit too early, but still got some points. Added some more micros to the pile. Up around 80 on Lucid and Take Profit Trader. A little bit less on the Apex because of that one glitch when I took the NQ trade on just the Apex accounts. Apex has their 80% off sale and the lifetime PA fee discount has been extended till the 23rd. Take Profit Trader has 40% off, no activation fee. Lucid's got 40% off, no monthly subscription fees. Tradeify and TradeDay have some great deals. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is the absolute best. Thanks so much for your support. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.